Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Stack. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off Safe Search if you're getting some sort of like permission error or something like that. So if we type something in on Google right now, and then we go to the top right, we can go to the drop down box, and here is Safe Search, and it says the filtering is on. But I can't change these settings right now because someone on this computer or parent or administrator changed the network settings. So what we want to do is first look on Google Chrome to see if anything has changed on here. So let's go to the top right, then go on down, and let's go to settings, and then go to privacy and security, then go to the right and go to security. But there's probably one option under here. This is called Clean Browsing Family Filter. This is going to pretty much block content. So this is one of the reasons you are not able to go ahead and turn off Safe Search. So we want to switch this on over to like OpenDNS or something like that. Now you need to completely close Google Chrome and then relaunch it, and that will give you the option now to go ahead and use it. Now, another thing that could be happening is maybe you have some sort of child protection on your system settings. So we can go to search right here and then go to settings on the top. So let's go to this right now. Then let's drop on down to where it says network and internet. Go to the right, and let's go to Ethernet or Wi-Fi, depending on the one we're connected to. And then go to where it says hardware properties. And just make sure you have a relative preferred DNS in here, or you can just completely turn this off and just go to automatic. Maybe you have some sort of safe search or family browsing setting in your Wi-Fi settings for your DNS as well. So just look at that and then close everything down, restart it, and then it should work. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below.